Alison. I'm the Programs, Outreach, and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Make It Monday. Today we are going to be making little octopus buddies. For this project you are going to need a piece of construction paper, colored pencils or crayons or markers, scissors, and if you have googly eyes at home or googly eye stickers, you can go ahead and grab those, and you will also need a glue stick. So gather up those materials and we will get started. Okay, to start out, we are going to fold our paper, not all the way in half, but maybe about 2/3 of the way up the page, and we are going to make a crease there, and then we are going to cut along that crease. This is going to be the body of our octopus, and these are going to be our tentacles. Octopi have 8 tentacles. That's where the term octopus comes from. Octo means 8. So we're going to cut this into 8 sections for our 8 tentacles. You can measure them out ahead of time if you want them all to be the same size, or you can just free cut like I'm going to do. So I have 1, 7, 8. You can see some of them are very big, some of them are a lot smaller, and you can trim it if you want them all to be the same size. Like I said, this is going to be our body, and what we're going to do next is you're just going to color and decorate. So I'm going to put down a little piece of cardboard to protect my area while I color, and you can add spots to your tentacles, you can add stripes, you don't have to decorate at all. Whatever you want to do, this is the time for you to get creative. So I think I'm going to add some spots. Go ahead and get started and just add whatever you want to your tentacles. Our glue stick and start adhering our tentacles on. I'm going to line up my tentacles on the bottom, and we'll see, I might, because of spacing, I'm going to trim this one. You can trim them to make sure that they all fit and create whatever pattern you want to create. Then you are going to take your glue stick and glue them all onto the body. So you only need to put glue on the very top little portion of the tentacle, not on the whole tentacle, because only one little part is going to touch up with the body. And you do want there to be a little bit of space in between them. So that's why you might need to do some trimming to make sure that there is enough space. You want to leave that to dry for a couple of minutes, and once they are dry, you are going to take a pencil. You can use your colored pencils that you were using, and we're going to curl our tentacles. So for that, you'll put your pencil at the base of one tentacle, and you'll just wrap it around to get it to go up. You'll get it to go up to right where you glued it onto the body. Hold it for a minute or two, and when you let go, you'll have a nice curly tentacle. So that'll give your tentacles a little bit of texture. So go down the line and do that to all 8. Now that you have all of your tentacles together, we are going to wrap this around like this to make our finished octopus. So go ahead and add glue to one side of the octopus where you're going to be attaching the 2 halves. So add it all the way down there, and then you will roll it together until you have the 2 sides touching. And just push down, apply a little bit of pressure to get the 2 sides to stick. You may need to hold it for a minute or 2, and you may need to add some more glue. And there you have your octopus. I hope you enjoyed making these octopus buddies today. If you did this project, we would love to see a photo of your finished results. So please leave a picture in the comments below or tag us on Instagram at @e_MCFL. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you next time on Make It Monday.